Hello, fellas. Are you tired of that messy morning hair routine? Is your mirror giving you the side eye? Ditch the daily struggle and unlock instant legendary status with these iconic cornrow braid hairstyle inspirations and ideas I bring to you. Cornrow braids are the ultimate cheat code for looking fresh 24/7. They lock in that moisture, protect your edges, and make you look breathtaking. So in these videos, you will see cool and fresh cornrow braid hairstyle you can try. I have compiled them all for you. Now let's talk about how you can care for this hairstyle. Your scalp is still testy. Keep it quenched with a light oil. Apply oil directly to the scalp and lightly down the braids a few times a week. Remember, when you have a happy scalp, it makes your braids happy too. Never go to bed without protection. Get yourself a satin or silk durag or bonnet. This is your braid's personal security guard against frizz and lint while you catch some sleep. Oh yes, you still need to wash your braids. Mix shampoo and water in a spray bottle and gently spirit the scalp. Rinse carefully, and when drying, pat, don't rub. Aggressive rubbing is how braids go from snatched to snagged. Once your braids start to look fuzzy, it's time to take them out and give your natural hair a break. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing hairstyle inspirations and ideas. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching.